What's going on, YouTube? It is 6:30 a.m. and we have a dusting of snow. We're supposed to get 1 to 3. Actually, I think I said 2 to 4. It depends who you watch. I watch Tom Skilling, and he says 1.5 to 3.5. And you know, I trust Tom. He's been in the business the longest. But we have a bit of a dusting. We haven't had snow since Christmas, so I really need this. So 6:30 a.m. Hopefully, we have 3 inches by 3. Thanks for watching. What's going on, YouTube? We're going to use the Ariens to clear our driveway. We got about 2 inches, so this is a cold start. I'm going to be full choke, full throttle, forward primes. Hasn't been started since at least Christmas, so maybe a little longer. I can't remember the last time I used it. So that was the work of the 5 horsepower Tecumseh. It did pretty good. Don't tell me it needs the scraper bar adjusted. I know that. I don't really care. So This is only about 2 inches. Haven't gotten a big snowstorm in a while. Really hurting business. But thanks for watching, YouTube. I gotta go do some contracts.